Hello guys, so I want to take you guys on a tour around Nwafọ Uruagu Market. Nwafọ Uruagu Market is the market that holds every Afro market day. You know, in Igbo land we have 4 market days, Eke, Ori, Afro and Nkwo. So this particular market is a small market, roadside market that holds every Afro market day, located in front of Obi Uruagu, Nnewi Anambra State. Let's go on this tour. There are several things sold in this market, but farm produce are the major products. Fresh farm produce straight from the farm, very affordable. So if you are looking to buy any farm produce or food items, I think you should try Nwafọ Uruagu Market on any Afro day. Let's keep going.
Olha que gosto,